bond of brotherhood, which is built on a mutual respect, commonality of faith, and a shared vision of a better, peaceful future. My participation in this conference is a reflection of our commitment to strengthening these ties between our two brotherly countries. We need to focus on promoting connectivity among regional countries and would help strengthen culture and economic operations. I'm delighted to share that one of our founding fathers and our national poet, Allama Muhammad Iqbal and Makhdoom Guli Fergie, share several commonalities in their poetry and thoughts on Sufism and nationalism. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Makhdoom Guli is only one poet but a symbol of Turkmen people's spirit, aspiration and love for their homeland. His works, written in the 18th century, continue to resonate with us today, providing guidance, inspiration, and a sense of unity. Makhdoom Guli was born into a time of great political and social unrest when the Turkmen tribes were scattered and divided. Yet despite this challenge, he dedicated his life to the dream of seeing the Turkmen people united as one. I would like to specially commend the President of Turkmenistan, Zardari Mahmudafi, for organizing this event to promote the works of Makhdoom Guli Fergie, as well as providing an opportunity to interact with leadership of the regional countries that will help strengthen our bonds of friendship. I also congratulate Turkmen nations on the announcement of the 2024 as the year of the great poet and thinker, Turkey World Makhdoom Guli. I'm confident that discussions and deliberations in this conference will not only honor the memory of Makhdoom Guli, but will also pave the way of a new avenues of culture, collaboration between our countries. Let us take this opportunity to reaffirm the commitments to our values he cherished and to work together to create a brighter and peaceful future for the generations to come. I'm also glad to meet the President Sardar Mohammadi, who is the son of my great friend and former President Gurbanguly Berdi Mohammadi, who I had the pleasure of meeting multiple times on different forums. He is not only a great politician, but also an eminent scholar and author of many books. I would like to conclude this beautiful verse of Makhdoom Guli Fergie. I dream of a nation, united and free, where every heart beats with dignity. Turkmen stand strong, their spirits bright, together we shine in freedom light. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
पाकिस्तान और तुर्कमानिस्तान के दरमियान गहरे रवाबित पर मबनी बरादराना ताल्लुकात हैं।
रास मुलाजा कर रहे थे कि सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली ज़रदारी बैनुल अक़वामी फ़ोरम से ख़िताब कर रहे थे और ये फ़ोरम अशकाबाद में वक्त और तहज़ीबों का बाहमी ताल्लुक़, अमन व तरक्की के उन्वान से इस फ़ोरम का इनेकाद किया गया है। सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली ज़रदारी ने अपने खिताब के दौरान कहा कि बेहतर इलाकाई रवाबित से सकाफती और इक़्तिसादी ताउन मजबूत बनाने में मदद मिलेगी। अल्लामा मोहम्मद इकबाल और मखदूम गली फरागी ने अपनी शायरी में कौमों की तरक्की के हवाले से बात की है। सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली ज़रदारी फ़ोरम से खिताब कर रहे थे।